Hi, I'm Dana with CandleScience, and I'm going to show you how to make soy Tealight candles. These small but mighty candles add a cozy, flickering glow to any space or special occasion. And they're also really easy to make, so let's get started. For this project, we'll be making 32 tea lights. Here's what you'll need. Soy wax. I'll be using 464, but you could use any type you like. Tea light cups. Wicks. I'll be using the Eco 0.75. Wick stickers. Fragrance oil. You can use whichever you like. Candle dye. You can use liquid dye or dye blocks. I'll be using magenta liquid candle dye here. Here are some additional tools you'll need. A double boiler, a pouring pitcher, a funnel pouring pitcher, a stirring utensil, a thermometer, and a scale. So first, we're going to place one wick in each tea light cup using a wick sticker. The 4 prongs at the base of the cup make it easy to find the center. Then you can line up the cups to help make pouring the wax easier. Next, weigh out 1 pound of soy wax. Place an empty pitcher on your scale and press tare. This will set the scale to 0. Then pour in your wax. Now place the pitcher in the double boiler to melt the wax. Once the wax is fully melted, add 4 drops of dye. Stir gently until the color is evenly mixed. Then, when your wax reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit, add 1 ounce of your favorite fragrance oil. Stir for about 2 minutes to ensure that it fully incorporates, and then remove the pitcher from the heat. I'm going to let the wax cool to about 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and then carefully pour into the tea light cups. A funnel pouring pitcher can make this step easier, ensuring precision with less mess. Take your time and pour slowly. Even though the funnel pouring pitcher helps a lot, it can't hurt to have some paper towel on hand just in case there are any spills. After pouring, check that each wick is straight and centered. Adjust as needed while the wax is still liquid. This ensures a clean, even burn later on. Allow your tea lights to cure for at least 3 days before burning for optimal fragrance throw. And that's it! Your soy tea light candles are ready to be enjoyed at home, as gifts, or as samples of new scents you might be looking to add to your line. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. We'll see you next time.